What's up, y'all? I'm about to go out here and work on this Cadillac. You know, I like to show y'all what I'm doing just in case some of y'all got the same type of setup. So, my wife need spark plugs and spark plug wires, or coils, excuse me, replaced on the Cadillac. Let me show y'all what I've been doing. What you're looking at is the intake manifold. Those three things right there, 1, 2, 3. Those are the coils, and the spark plugs are underneath those. And those are 10 millimeter bolts. And the one bolt that they have that holds that cover on, if you can see it, see the little one hole right there. So that's all I did right there. And then that right there is where the oil cap go. So you got to take the oil cap off first and then take that one bolt out, and that's this one here. Okay. And it goes right here when it's in place. So I took that out, took the cover off, and now these are 10 millimeter bolts also. And I'm gonna take all three of those out. These are the coils, and the spark plugs are right up under those. And it's just as simple. I just always pull out my little power tool and I'll just hit it like this. So as you can tell, I already loosened those up a little bit. So basically you just take these out like that. Pretty simple, no major deal. I got this camera in my hand, so I'm gonna put it down. The only thing I need to do is just disconnect the harness from each one and then pull them out of there. So not that big a deal. I'll be right back when I get this part done. Okay, so I got 2 of them done, but I just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing here. So basically, all you gotta do is unplug the harness. Now, so there it is. Pull this out, and that's the coil. These coils don't actually look like they're in bad shape, but I did get the factory one. Really hard to get it out. So make sure you get you a 5/8 spark plug socket. It'll make your job a lot easier. me. Like everything seemed to be all A-okay. What y'all think? Yep, looks good, sounds good.